Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of PowerPoint's 365 coolest feature, Cameo. This lets you insert your live camera feed directly into your slides, making your presentations more personal and dynamic. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So what is Cameo? It's a feature that allows you to appear live on your slides using your webcam. Perfect for remote presentations, webinars, or just adding a human touch to your deck. To insert Cameo, we just need to open the presentation and then we need to go to the Record tab. Here on the left side, we find this icon of the Cameo. We just need to click it to insert it into our slides. So here you can see that now it is appearing on the bottom right corner of my presentation. I will click on this preview and this will open a preview of my webcam. Now this Cameo can be dragged to anywhere on your slide, or we can just resize it, and we can also apply different styles that are present on the camera styles. Here you can see we can also change the camera shape, border, and apply different styles to it. Now this Cameo is just like an object. We can also apply any transition like we can do on any object on our slides. When you are ready to present, just hit slideshow. If you are using Microsoft Teams, Cameo will automatically synchronize with your Teams camera settings. And if I want to record my video lecture, then you can see that I have prepared some notes on the bottom of my presentation. And once I have prepared my notes, if I need them for assistance during presentation, and then I will click on this record. I'll click on this from beginning. And now you can see that I have many cool features on my screen. I have this laser pen which I can use to highlight anything on my slide, or I can use any pen or highlighter with any color to demonstrate during my presentation. And my video is also present on the side of my screen along with this teleprompt that will run along with the slide, that will help me remember the point that I want to highlight during my presentation. I just need to click on this record button and it will start recording my presentation. And once I have done with the presentation, I just need to click on this export, and this will save and export my video lecture to upload it on any forum. Here I would also like to add some quick tips. The first tip is that always use good lighting and clean background, and always test your camera before presentation. And it is also worth mentioning that Cameo is not needed on every slide. You just need to add it where it adds value to your presentation. And that's how you use Cameo in PowerPoint 365. It's a game changer for making your presentations more engaging and personal. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.